Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to tell you about how to schedule posts on Pinterest. So you have to follow these simple steps. Go to create and click on create pin. Then you have to drag and drop, or you have to simply click on here and then add the image you want. Okay, then you have to add some title, like I'm going to add a title which is tweets. You have to add a destination link if you want. I'm going to divert my traffic from Pinterest to Instagram. I have my account having 2k followers. If you want to check it out, you can check out by using this one. Okay, so you have to click at publish calculator date. Then you have to select the time. I'm going to schedule at 31 December at and in the morning. Okay, 9 a.m. and then click on publish. As you can see, the schedule post is you can see the pin is scheduled. If you want to click on schedule pin, you can see this one. So in this way you can schedule your pins on Pinterest. Hope you like this little tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.